Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y100 5G smartphone. In this video, you will know what is Easy Touch and how to customize this. How to customize Easy Touch. Okay, first go to the settings of a phone here and go to shortcuts and accessibility and click on Easy Touch and turn on the button Easy Touch. This is Easy Touch bar. If you click it, you will have several functions, several shortcuts like screenshot, calculator, screen recording, flashlight, search, easy easy touch settings, okay, Facebook messages, etc. Okay, so it will go to the particular function. For taking screenshot, click on screenshot icon, will be taken. Okay, for going to calculator, you have to click on calculator here and it will open up the calculator. So in this way you can easily use easy touch. Okay, here easy touch settings also available. Click it and easy touch settings will be appeared. This is the easy touch settings. For example, if you are on the different screen and if you already enabled easy touch, just go here and click on easy touch settings and settings will be opened. Okay, if you want to personalize or customize easy touch settings, you can do here. Okay, the first one is personalized skins. Okay, if you click on it, instead of this white circle, you can choose other skin like this one. Okay, see the preview, this lemon, okay, and this ghost. So available, you can select from the available options. Okay, I select this ghost, okay, DD, and click on apply. Now not ghost, okay, just I told like that, but it's DD. Okay, so icon is changed. This is personalized skin. Okay, if you use this lemon, orange, not lemon, orange. Oh wow, orange is very nice. Okay, so in this way you can easily customize personalized skin. Then customize menu also you can customize. For example, by default these functions are available. Okay, this is the quick tool, screenshot, calculator, screen recording, flashlight, search, etc. Okay, if you want to add more, click to add here and you can select other. Okay, volume plus up to 9, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, up to 7, sorry, up to 9 you can add. Okay, 9 functions can be added. Suppose if you want to replace a function with another one, yes, you can do it. Instead of search, if you want to replace, just close the search and instead of search, you choose anyone. Okay, in a similar way you can add app too. Okay, this is a frequently used app. Okay, here click it and add your own apps to the list. This is also placeable up to 9 apps. Okay, see the changes. Okay, so in this way you can easily customize. If you click on it, all will be opened. Okay, see here 9 apps is also available, 9 tools are available. Okay, then tap. What will happen if you tap on it? It will open. Okay, but you can set tap, how tap should act. Okay, click on tap and it's open menu, or if you by tapping itself, if you want to open calculator, set it. Okay, set it calculator, so while tapping calculator will be open. Okay, you can track like this, and if you tap it will open calculator. Okay, that's the meaning of this function. Okay, then double tap. Okay, now I set it to default for tap first. Okay, so open menu. Okay, then double tap. For double tap is set to none. For double tapping I set to screenshot. Okay, that means if you double tap on the on the skin, it will take a screenshot. then tap and hold. What should be for tap and hold? Okay, for this I would like to use volume plus. Okay, tap and hold. Volume plus. Okay, so in this way you can easily customize many things in easy touch, and also you can take a screenshot. Okay, whatever maybe you can here do it. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.